One voice, brawling enough.
I've money on my brain, thought what you're saying. Ice on chains, fly out of plane. I've money on my brain, crypto, all you're saying. Talk out with the cool, man, I swear to the lane. Ice on my neck, that shine like a gem. If you don't talk money, man, I know what you're saying. It kinda hot, just body stocks. Dance with the 100, what I never gas. I went out the hood, not out the app. Full up be a cheddar. Every day that we have my money.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Malik here, and today I had 3 trades, and this is why I hate trading on Thursdays, because the price action, to me, it's just very wiki. Like, it's easy to take you out. So I was able to, I think I got stopped out. I'm not even sure what happened. I think I was up. Yeah, I was up on the sell. Price actually started to reverse, so I was up on it. I decided to let it ride. That's my bad. I should have at least moved to probably break even. But I was thinking, or I thought, anytime you say you thought, that's when the worst things tend to happen to you. So, I mean, I saw this big price movement down. I didn't take the profits. I was also up from about where I entered yesterday to here. Didn't close it either. So a lot of it was my mistakes, and I'll just show you them. And this actually happened on both accounts. So today I went mostly against the trend, so I went downside. They always say not to go against the trend. I think I'm learning that the harder way, but I think it's worth learning. So on this one, I had entered at, we're looking at this trade, I entered at 18,070.9. Actually got stopped out at 18,096.1. Total loss of 2032. So can see I keep my risk about the same right across the board, and I have a funding tracker that actually can tell me how much trades it takes before I blow my account, so I know exactly when I need to probably scale down how much trades I have if I follow my routine, how long my account will last me if I was to take all losers, which is impossible. It's impossible for me to make all losers, because there's many times when you're up in the market and you can either choose to take profits or choose to actually let it ride or choose to actually get stopped out. There's many opportunities in the market from what I'm seeing. It's easy to be up in the market, knowing when to close out for profits, knowing when to let your runners ride seems to be a little bigger problem for me. So I entered here. I got stopped out at, I entered at 9. I got stopped out at 8. So where's 8? 8 is this candle here. So you can see we were up for a majority of the time, even up more than 2.5 of the risk, more than 2.4 of the risk. But then I actually let price come back and stop me out. At the very least, I should have probably put my stops to break even. The next trade now, so you can see I was still bearish bias. So the next trade was here on the 9 o'clock, and I was looking for the sells again. At 9 o'clock, we had a huge push down. So I was in profits at some portion of the day. But then price actually reversed at 10, which actually stopped me out. So I got stopped out at 18,109.8. So that was the 10 candle here. It will show you as if I got stopped out on the same candle, but I didn't. I was actually in profits until it went down to here. Focusing on what I was doing, I was installing some mini splits. So you can see I got into some profits about 2.45 again, so I could have gotten a 2 earlier, clean, nice and easy, but I didn't take it. I actually got stopped out again for a loss of 2016. And then I continued piling on, thinking that at this point price would have went in my favor and went in for another sell. And where did I enter for a sell? I entered for a sell closer to the top on this one, because my belief was that price would have actually started to push down from here, but we still didn't get that push down. So I entered here at 18,106. I got stopped out at 18,128.5 for a total loss of 2020. So you can see I was looking for a sell again. Got stopped out on the next candle here. As price opened, it wicked up before coming a little bit lower. Then basically price moved up a bit. But honestly, this price action is not worth it to me because we're still basically, we're not completely within the range. The range would have been from 18 to say 18 to 18. So we moved basically down and came up. Let's even draw it out probably. Path. So we have 18, we came down, and then we came up. That's enough. So basically we came down, came up. I don't really like how that moved. Let's compare that with yesterday. See if there was granted I could have taken profits here. That was my bad. So let's look at Tuesday's 18 to 8. Look at that. Back to here. Very interesting. So between 9 and it's just where you take the profits, honestly, and moving your stops to break even or into profits from what I'm seeing. Taking profits, moving profits to break even, that's what I'm seeing to be advantageous. Interesting. Let's move on to my watch list now. You can actually look at the account. I'm just up 110, so I need 10,600 to actually pass this and go to the step 3 of this funded account. I have a different one that's funded. Haven't blown it. Have it on the tracker, so everything is just building, and I'm just looking to take some more withdrawals. I want to get to a 500 withdrawal, then 1,000, and just scale it. But it's a $5,000 account, so it's not something you want to go too aggressive with, I believe, because getting say a $5,000 payout on that would be 100% return, which is very high. So we're looking at 5.9, and let's hit Bitcoin price. Bitcoin is 62,971. So it actually interestingly came to this level. I'm not sure what this level is about here. I'm honestly not sure what this level is about. Not certain. Tesla. We have Tesla a little lower under that EMA there at 172. IMMR, I would expect you a little higher. Wow. Talked about you yesterday. Can see IMMR bullish. I didn't say much about it, but IMMR definitely was bullish yesterday. Bitfarms, I would expect bearish. Bitfarms, not much different at 1.84. Nvidia, I would expect you above 900. Nah, a little bit lower than yesterday. You're still not shaking anybody off Nvidia. They're watching you. AMD definitely building within a range here, looking like it's ready for something. Like there's something about to happen on AMD. Like it's building a tight range to do something. Like that. Okay. SMCI. SMCI is also within a range, and it's like consolidating tightly there. Very interesting. And you're at 802. So what can I say about this? Bitcoin, leaner version. So I would say it kind of came back to the average price that it was trading at, or it's coming back to that. Tesla bearish below EMA. IMMR very bullish. Dips on Nvidia, AMD looking ready to do something. What else? Bitfarms, same basically. That's all for today's video. I hate trading Thursdays, to be honest. I'll make that the title. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. I haven't made any trades as yet. Just chilling right now. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.